2 reasons why prospects buy from you. Hey, I'm James Bill from JamesBillOfficial.com. Welcome to my channel. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it, okay? First, I want to share this with you. Of all the prospects that's out there, it's one thing that's going to always be going through their heads, guys. And that one thing is simply WIIF. What's in it for me? They don't care if you made $1,000 online before, $10,000, or $1 million. They want to know what's in it for them. That's the main thing. And if you can have something to offer, a solution that's going to help them out, then you're going to win, guys. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Number one, the number one thing that's going to make your prospect buy from you, they want to gain pleasure. Okay? They want to gain pleasure. And number 2 is to avoid pain. They want to avoid pain. And I'm going to give you a short example. Myself, for instance, I'm a musician. I'm a drummer. Been doing that for years and years. And sometimes, things got slow in my music career, but I still had to provide for my family. And I was juggling between, do I give it all up? My dreams of playing music and go out and get a regular 9 to 5, which I would hate to do because I'm very passionate about my music. So I found something online that would give me more time. Now I make an income from home that gives me more time and the income so I can still go out and play my music. That makes me very happy, guys. So that's what you're going to have to do. Give pleasure or help them to avoid pain. You may have someone that likes sports, fishing, hunting. How can you help them to get more time to do more of that? And the pain side would be, can you imagine not being able to go out hunting, fishing? You just don't have the time. You may have to just give it all up. Think about that. That would be painful. But on the other hand, to where they could get pleasure, what if I could offer you something where it would provide more time for you to do more hunting and fishing on your leisure time and still have an income to do that? Okay? That's pleasure, guys. So just remember that, and I want to share that with you. That's going to be the 2 main reasons why people buy from you, guys. And if you guys are into the make money online opportunity niche, health and wellness, whatever it is, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to leave with you something down below for free that's going to help you to start generating more leads for free, guys. So go ahead and click on that link below and be sure to subscribe to my channel, where I'm going to be coming back here with more great videos, guys, just to help you out. So I'll see you on the next video.